Good morning, John. It is time to wake up.
Good morning, Sarah. I feel sleepy. But I will get up.
Leo, wake up now. The sun is shining.
Yes, Mom. I am awake.
Mia, wash your face.
Yes, Mom. I wash my face with water.
Leo, brush your teeth.
Yes, Emma. I brush my teeth with my toothbrush.
Let's eat breakfast together.
Yes, the food is ready.
I like bread and butter.
I like milk and eggs.
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink tea. It is hot.
I drink orange juice.
I drink milk. It is cold.
We eat together at the table.
Yes, we are happy.
I sit next to Mom.
I sit next to Leo.
Leo, take your school bag.
Yes, I have my bag.
Mia, wear your shoes.
Yes, Mom. My shoes are red.
Let's go to school now.
Yes. Let's go quickly.
I walk with Dad.
I walk with Emma. The bus is here.
Let's get on the bus.
We sit together.
Have a good day at school.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Leo.
I read a book.
I write my name.
I draw a picture.
Good work, children.
I play football.
I play with dolls.
I play with friends.
Play nicely, children.
I eat rice.
I eat bread.
I eat fruit.
Eat slowly, children. Welcome home, children.
Thank you, Mom.
I am hungry.
I am tired.
I want an apple.
Here is an apple.
I want a banana.
Here is a banana.
Leo, do your homework.
Yes, I will write.
I draw a picture.
Good job, Mia.
I play with toys.
I play with you.
I play with my ball.
Play safely, children.
Let's eat dinner.
The food is good.
I eat rice and chicken.
I eat soup and bread.
How was school today?
School was fun.
I learned new words.
That is very good.
I help wash dishes.
Thank you, Mia.
I put away my plate.
I clean the table.
Let's watch TV.
Yes, let's watch.
I like cartoons.
I like songs.
Good night, Mia.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Leo.
Good night, Dad.
Sleep well, Emma.
Thank you, Mom.
Sleep well, Sarah.
Good night, John. I need bread and milk.
I will buy rice and fruit.
I want to buy juice.
I want to buy candy.
I want to buy bananas.
Here is the money. Thank you, sir.
The food is fresh.
Yes, the apples are red.
I like the swings.
I like the slide.
I like the seesaw.
Play safely, children.
Yes, be careful. The trees are green.
The flowers are beautiful.
I see birds.
I see dogs.
I see children playing.
I clean the kitchen.
I clean the living room.
I sweep the floor.
I wash the table.
I put toys away.
Thank you for helping.
Yes, we work together.
The house is clean.
The room is nice.
Today is Leo's birthday.
Yes, we need a cake.
I will bring balloons.
I will bring flowers.
I am happy today.
Happy birthday, Leo.
Happy birthday, son.
Happy birthday, Leo.
Happy birthday, brother.
Thank you, everyone.
Let's go to the beach.
Yes, it is sunny.
I will take my hat.
I will take my ball.
I will take my doll.
The water is blue.
The sand is soft.
I swim in the sea.
I play football on the sand.
I build a sand castle.
I feel sick.
Let's go to the doctor.
The doctor will help.
Don't worry, Leo.
Get well soon.
Hello, Leo.
Hello?
Take this medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Leo will be fine.
I read a story.
I read a poem.
I read a comic.
I read a magazine.
I read a newspaper.
This story is nice.
This poem is short.
This comic is funny.
This magazine is new.
This newspaper is old.
I sing a song.
I sing with you.
I clap my hands.
I play the guitar.
I play the drum.
Let's dance.
Yes, let's dance.
I move my hands.
I move my feet.
We dance together.
I cut vegetables.
I cook rice.
I wash fruit.
I bring water.
I put plates on the table.
The soup is hot.
The rice is soft.
The fruit is sweet.
The bread is fresh.
The milk is cold.
I sing a song at school.
I play football at school.
I dance at school.
We will watch you.
We are proud of you. Welcome, parents.
Thank you, teacher.
The children are happy.
I sing loudly.
I dance happily.
Let's go by car.
Yes, let's go shopping.
I sit in the back.
I sit next to Emma.
I sit next to Mom.
The road is long.
The sky is blue.
I see houses.
I see cars.
I see trees.
It is raining.
The sky is gray.
I hear the rain.
I see water on the street.
I see people with umbrellas.
Let's stay at home.
Yes, it is wet outside.
I read a book.
I play with my ball.
I draw a picture.
I kick the ball.
I run fast.
I clap my hands.
Good job, Leo.
Good job, Emma.
I watch football on TV.
I watch tennis.
I watch basketball.
I watch cricket.
I watch swimming.
I read a book.
I read a newspaper.
I read a story.
I read a comic.
I read a poem.
I borrow a book.
I borrow a comic.
I borrow a picture book.
We borrow many books.
We will read at home.
Grandma is in the hospital.
Let's visit her.
I bring flowers.
I bring a card.
I bring a toy.
How are you, Grandma?
I am better.
We love you.
We miss you.
Get well soon.
We are happy to see you.
I want a dress.
I want a shirt.
I want shoes.
I want pants.
I want a hat.
This dress is nice.
This shirt is big.
These shoes are small.
These pants are long.
This hat is funny.